One small step for man, one giant leap for Tesla. So we closed above $400. So we closed above $400. 400, we closed at 499, up $11.20, 2.87%. Post-market, we seem to be trading at 402.28. So we have crossed $400. But as it often happens, the main resistances and supports are not necessarily at big even numbers. So yes, we broke $400. So psychologically, this is a $400 stock, and that might entice people to get into Tesla because, oh boy, it's worth $400. This is on a tear. But we still have not cleared our resistance at 403.30. And this is the real number that we need to clear, as we have been talking about yesterday and also last week, for 403.30. So this is what this looks like on the daily chart. So we broke during the day 403.30, but we closed below. We could not close above 403.30. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. This is where we finished yesterday. We finished with nice green candle. So boom, first hour of the day, look at this. Green candle, we stopped just a little bit higher. We closed at 403.70. So first hour, we had climbed above 403.30. Then we were pretty much undecided on the second hour. We went above, we went below, and we pretty much closed that hour, that candle right smack on the resistance at 403.30. We closed at 403.34. So we are 1 cent off, So this 403.30 line is very important. We are touching it so many times. Third hour, we started from it and climbed. Fourth hour, same thing. Fifth hour, we did not go that high. The high we got was 409.73. Still, it's 409. It's not 415. It's 409. The candle that finished at 330, we came back down and we pretty much retested. I kind of like to see this. This is the current bullish channel on the 1 hour chart. So we have so many patterns at the same time, but this one, boom, we came down to that support and finished a little bit higher. So we finished that candle at 403.75. So we finished above our 403.30, but then we lost it on the last hour of the day. People are a little bit scared maybe. It's not too bad because we are still above support. We are still above the moving average. Stochastic is still above 60. It's no longer overbought, which is not too bad in itself. So what we are seeing right now is really a fight. There's a fight happening, a fight between the buyers and sellers. We have lots of supply at 403. We have people that want Tesla to go down because they want to make money on the way down. And we have people that believe in Tesla and they want to participate in that company. And this is the tug of war that we are seeing. 403.30 is an important number. Not all is lost. We are advancing. We have been advancing since we called the buy signal on December 5th. Boom, we broke 360.65. It took us approximately a month to break that number. Took us a month. And since then, we are advancing. Every single day we are advancing. The next frontier we need to break is 403. We are seeing it. It's 403. And it's even more clear on the 1 hour chart. We tried yesterday. We tried again today, broke it today, and we lost it a little bit at the last minute. So things are very interesting. This is, this is like watching a hockey game. If you like hockey, this is a very tight race, and this is free. This is free. You can get TradingView. You can open it. You can search for a Tesla stock. And if we watch, you can take a look at the 5-minute chart. This is even a tighter race on the 5-minute chart. Broke it today, stayed for maybe 30 minutes, came back down, tried again, failed. Then we succeeded. bounced on it. This was great. Then we are having a little bit of problem, broke it. This is a play-by. I could do a live 8-hour video on this, and this would be interesting. Anywho, this is looking positive for tomorrow. We are positive post-market tomorrow. So tomorrow, let's hope that we can stay above 403.30 on the daily chart. That would be great. We should close the day above 403.50. If we take a look at the VIX to get the pulse of the whole market, the VIX is climbing a little bit again. Not too bad. VIX is still at 14, so that's a pretty low VIX in itself. Bonds climbing also a little bit, 0.64%. Dow Jones continuing down. So Tesla is doing much better than the stock indices. So we are now back pretty much smack on the moving average. Stochastic is very close to being below 60. So let's hope that we are going to bounce on that tomorrow and continue for another week or so. That would be my wish. S&P 500, same thing. We are a little bit farther away from the moving average. NASDAQ also farther from the moving average. And with a quick glance, this was not the best day. This was not the best day for the stock market as a whole. EV stocks did not fare that well. So Tesla is really in a league of its own. Even Palantir did not go super high. So it was not the best day. But Tesla did amazingly well. This is a good example that sometimes we have a stock that does better than the rest of the market, and sometimes it's worse than the rest of the market. But Tesla has its own story, and right now the story is pretty good. So there's a news report that came out. So Tesla confirms, well, it's not really Tesla that confirms it. Sub $30,000 Model Q for 2025, Deutsche Bank report. It'll launch in the first half of next year. Tesla's head of investor relations told Deutsche Bank it will be priced at $30,000, including subsidies. So Tesla projected apparently to Deutsche Bank that the new models would increase volumes by 20 to 30% over the next year, though profits will likely dip as the company spends big to get new models out the door. If Elon confirms this news, this would really help the stock, give it a little bit of a push to break the 400, because we have supply at 400. Lots of people are selling at 400, so this would help a little bit. Even though we are still doing pretty good, we are advancing every single day. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we are going to do another video and see where things are at. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.